Now, rather than talk broadly about thankfulness right now, I want to just like focus on a word called the word celebrate. Say celebrate. I mean, how many of you like to celebrate? When you think of the word celebrate, what do you think of? There's all kinds of things that we celebrate in life. But what happens when life takes a turn and it's not so easy to celebrate? How many of you been there before? Yeah, how do you stay up in a down world? I've got a couple friends that attend this church, and this last week, they lost a loved one. One was very unexpected, and just, I mean, that's difficult. How do you celebrate that? Or are we to celebrate that, or do we celebrate something else? If we're going to get our hands on this thing called celebrate in a spiritual context, when it comes to being more grateful in life, how do we do that? Well, I think there's one thing that we can celebrate as Christ followers that we can count on. Whether our life is down and circumstances are down, we can count on something that we can celebrate that doesn't change. It's the same today, and it's the same tomorrow.